This is not easy to speak English during the task, but this is not so difficult for me because I have made it habit. When you make something habit, that time everything is easy, nothing is difficult. But if you want to make it habit, you must have to suffer a lot. You must have to work hard. As you can see at this moment, I'm staying here in my hypervirtual field. I was binding this beetle leaf before making this video, and at this moment I'm making this video. That's why I have kept that stop. After complete this video again, I will work in this field. Actually, I was supposed to do the same task in the morning, but I couldn't do that task because I had to do something new. That was a secret. So if you want to learn spoken English, never ever give up. Practice every day. Think in English. Listen native English speaker speech. No more today. See you soon. Mercy.